This one is for the Unscrew crew. Here are the lampshades, well, the new lampshades that I put in from that viral video I had. You know, the one where I broke the glass and everybody's like, why didn't you just unscrew it? Why did you have to break the glass? Why didn't you get your husband to do it? Just to clarify some things, this is a fifth wheel RV. I am remodeling this RV. It is not done yet, so this will not be the final product. I don't live here, I'm just visiting. So I couldn't do a video to show you how I did it, or did not do it, until I came back. Let's go through all the comments that you guys left. Some people said I should go through the top. Right there, let's check it out. All right, if we go up and try to take those lampshades off, I unscrewed these. We go straight into wires into the ceiling. I would have to cut those. And here's the argument a lot of you had. Yes, there's a black piece on top. Yes, there's a white piece on top. The lampshade went in between these two. So why couldn't I just unscrew these and take the lampshade down? Oh, this is why not. Because you have this silver piece right here that is bigger than the hole in the lampshade. So here, you have this silver piece. Then you have the nut and bolt here. So let's go ahead and unscrew those, shall we? Oh, and it's also a LED light bulb. Not a regular light bulb, because this is not a regular house. It's an RV. So I unscrewed it, just like you guys said, with the silver piece and the LED light bulb, and I had to twist the wires to unscrew it. But look, it goes all the way down, right? So the wires go from the LED light bulb all the way up this thin pole into the ceiling, where there's splice connectors, like I said originally in the original videos. So in order for me to put a new lampshade or take the old lampshade out, I would have to cut these wires all the way down to here, right here. And then this piece still not coming off. So can you guys give me an explanation on exactly how I was supposed to take the original lampshade off? Yeah, that would be great. Thanks.